Hello my friends. I have an idea. Let's draw a new letter today, in the style of this cool character. Well, let's get started. The first step. Draw the outline of our letter on paper. Try to repeat as I have. Step 2. Let's color our letter in the main color of our character. It's so much fun. Step 3. We're doing so great. Let's add some beautiful element next to the letter. Wow! Look what a cool letter we got. It's so cool. Subscribe to the channel and see how to draw the next letter. See you later, bye bye.